If I can give blood, trust me, I can give children. My monthly ladies wali problem yaar. I'm talking about menstruation, menses. It actually makes me a fertility goddess, and that is why I really don't mind celebrating 28th May as the menstrual hygiene day. But only as long as it does not show. We are naturally embarrassed to talk about it yaar. Come to think of it, a woman's private part in Hindi is equal to a gali. You know what I mean? In office, every time I'm down, I wrap my sanitary napkin in a newspaper. By the way, that reminds me, what about you? Do you use a pad? Because 12% women in India use a sanitary napkin. The rest of them, they are on cow dung, mitti, polythene, reet, newspaper, old saris, and sometimes even bamboo pouches. This causes more syapa, more tension. This lack of hygiene during menstruation causes so many infertility problems in women. But yaar, menses wala blood is not like blood from your nose or mouth. I know it's the same blood, scientifically proven. But then who talks about it? Now imagine taking picture of your menses and posting it online. What would you call it? Cheeky or starry? So Rupi Kaur, a Canadian artist, as part of her high school project, took pictures of a blood spot between her legs and on the sheet and posted it on a photo networking site. The site took it down, claiming it to be obscene. And boy, was Rupi Kaur angry. Because of the double standards, you see. She said we are okay with a woman's body in an underwear, but not with a leak. This post was liked by 53,000 people. It was shared by 12,000 people, and the photo networking site reinstated those pictures with a sorry ji, galti se mistake ho gayi. Thank God Rupi Kaur was in Canada. If she was in northern India, I'm telling you, she would be made to sleep in a cow shed. She would eat there also. Because you can't enter the kitchen, come on. This is impure. We don't call it the last taboo just like that. So if we are okay not talking about menses or periods, I assume we are okay with sick, uneducated girls, right? Because 1 in 5 girls drops out of school due to inadequate menstrual disposal and protection. And 27% of the world cervical cancer deaths happen in India due to sanitary infection. So talking about menstruation is of course not like talking about the weather or the traffic or the headache in your stomach in a very paratedar style. So while we women sat with zip lips, a man went ahead and made a sasta sanitary napkin banane wali machine. And now he's Times Magazine's 100 most influential people. You know what he did? He actually stuck a leaking pipe inside his underwear to try and figure out what it is like to have periods. The menstrual man of India, Arunachalam Muruganantham. Read all about him over here. It's only when we start talking MHM, menstrual hygiene management, will we be able to end years of shame and agony and embarrassment that at any given point of time, 300 million women might be experiencing, including you or me. So if half the world menstruates, why not talk the taboo out of it? Period. Think about it.